Hey guys, it's Advanced Gaming, huh? We're back with part 2 of the rain edition.
One-handed floss, guys.
God, he's obviously got that on me. But
I've got my camera too.
Just stop.
Got
just
it right
stop.
there.
I don't give a poop. But the thing is, this is part 2 of the hide and seek rain edition with Nicky Boy Gaming right here, and we gonna do this. I got today and a Wednesday and a Thursday and a Friday.
Sorry.
Okay. Well, he's gonna count first, he said. So yeah. All right, start counting.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Guys, I'm going back over here where I was for the last time in the third video. Make this more compact. Still counting.
27, 28, 29, 30. Here I come.
There he is, guys. He's coming back this way. Okay. Oh shoot, he's coming back this way. Be smarter this time.
You know this road spot? I don't know why. But like, in the last video, I was like, I'm gonna go check a new road. And I just looked. Okay, so over here.
No! Okay.
I found him, guys. I found him.
Oh, so annoying.
You always
That was
find
fair,
me. Did
though.
you
That
hit
was
me?
fair.
Did you find me hit? Did you see me hit the thing?
What thing?
The windmill up there. I was like, ah!
I did not say it. It was hard to get my camera through the trees and stuff to get good angles, so I couldn't.
Okay, you count.
All right, Daddy, I'm gonna go count.
I just just look around when I look for spots, and then I'm just like, I could hide there, I could hide there, I could hide there. And I'm just like, oh, let's go.
All right, Daddy. Well, I'm gonna go count, guys, and we'll be back with you when I'm done counting. Seeker. I heard an awful lot of noise behind me when I was counting, so I'm gonna check the truck. Could be in the truck. Maybe he's under the truck. Is he in the truck? Let me check under first. No, he's not under there. Wait, I'm gonna... I feel like I know what he did. There he is! No! I knew it! I heard a lot of noise.
Yeah, I thought it was a bad spot. Can I redo it?
Look at how long my thing goes up. And it goes even further.
Can I redo that? That was like kind of...
No, you can't redo
That wasn't fair. That was like the worst spot.
So?
Like, you heard me and everything. That's
So?
not fair. Come on.
Nick, you're not redoing it.
Wow, guys.
Just because you don't get a nice hiding session doesn't mean we have to redo everything.
Even Marcus had a better spot. That's sad.
Well, the thing is that I get bad hiding sessions all the time. So, yeah. Well,
He found me.
Let me put this down. Yay. I love using selfie sticks. It's so easy to record.
You heard me in there?
Yeah, I heard you like the footsteps going up in there, and I knew it was something to do with the truck, but I didn't know what, so I had to examine it. I was gonna go in the door, but then I heard a little bit of rustling.
I didn't move at all. How did you hear rustling?
I heard a little bit of rustling. I don't know, but what? And then I extended it so I could see you with the camera, so I could check in there.
1, 2, 3,
I wasn't ready.
4. Okay, get ready.
All right, I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
Oh shoot! Let's go, guys. Let's go. Sorry for the bad camera angles. I'm gonna go in the pot. Oh God. Okay. I'm back here in the woods. Kind of. I'm behind a stump. Oh shoot. I'm gonna get down. There he is. I can see him. What is this trash? You serious? God. So annoying. Every time.
I mean, every time.
Every time I hide somewhere, you like almost immediately see me.
Okay, you found me way quicker.
Once. Just once. Try that times 4. Alright guys, well I'm gonna count and I'll be back when I'm seeking. Steps this way, so I'm gonna go ahead and check this way first. Because I'm smart. I'm a smart people. It's not in the car at all. Found him. Found him. Found him! I got him! Come down here! Found him all the way up there from down here.
All the way up there, guys. All the way around that.
And I was down here.
How did you see me?
I just looked over to make sure I didn't miss anything over there, and guess what I see? A Nicky Boy Gaming.
Did you see my phone?
Yes.
Oh,
But I mostly saw your sweatshirt. It was more the white part in your sweatshirt. Oh God. Oh God. Alright, well, it's my turn to hide.
Take a shot of the poop.
That's poop, apparently.
Poop, guys. It's poop.
Is all of it poop?
Yeah, all that brown stuff's poop.
Sure it's not mud?
It's poop.
Poop from what?
Look, there's a big chunk of poop. It's green.
Oh. Okay. Well, I get to hide now.
That was a good round. That's the last round, right?
No. You hidden twice, and I've only hidden once.
No, you hid first.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so I have to hide one more time, and you have to hide one more time.
No?
Yeah.
I'm sure you watch the footage. Guys, so I only have one more time to hide, so this better be good.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to start hiding.
You mean counting?
Look at this dude.
You mean counting?
Yeah.
You're not going to start hiding.
Look at this dude. Look at his face. Ooh.
Look at your face. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Look at this dude.
dude's face. Look at him.
This dude's
Look at
face.
him. Look at him. Look at him.
All right, you count. Start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
Alright, guys, I'm back here.
21, 22,
You guys can't see much.
24,
Sorry.
25, 26. Guys, if you see him, comment down below. I don't see him. I hear rustling.
Nick.
I see you, Buster.
It's positive. It's positive. My theory is positive about you and hide and seek.
I see you, Buster. Buster Brownie. Ooh.
My theory is positive.
What?
I know for a fact. I'm not gonna disclose it on YouTube, but I know for a fact what you've been doing.
What?
I know what you've been doing.
What?
Mister, you can't hide it from me any longer.
What have I been doing?
You little trick.
What?
Oh wait! Oh no! Oh no! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh, I accidentally took a picture.
I actually did take a picture, actually. So.
Well, guess what? You probably did to cover for yourself.
Cover for what?
You knew from the start where I was. You knew.
No, I didn't.
Yes,
Actually,
you knew.
Actually, I
You heard
looked-
my footsteps.
Actually,
You
I
started
looked-
going. You went down there, and I saw you looked at me.
Over there. I looked over here.
No, guess what? You came over
I
here.
looked by, didn't see
You went down here. No, you did see me. I
looked-
saw you
I
look
looked-
straight
I
at my
looked
camera.
Over here, I looked down there. You were behind there. I looked over there.
Yeah, you
I
saw
did.
me because you just said you were behind. I was behind there. I know for a fact you saw me.
I literally caught you. I literally seeked you. I saw you.
I wasn't even making enough noise for you to be able to
I
hear.
heard rustling. I walked around the truck. And
But you didn't hear the road noise, all the water dripping on the leaves.
I heard the bush. I walked over here. I heard rustling.
What bush?
I heard rustling over here.
Guys, I'm gonna start counting because
little
this
cheater.
little I said Nicky boy and he said cheater.
To you, I said,
No,
I did cheater.
you said it to continue what I
I
was
did
saying.
cheater
You know what?
and
Just
pointed
just
to
let me count so
was
you can
recording it.
just let me count.
I was recording it. I'll
Just
show you.
just let me count. Just let me
I'll
count.
show you,
I don't
okay?
want to see it. Just let me count. I just got done counting, so I'm gonna show you guys in front of me. Check out the usual spots that he's in. He always picks a new spot. So annoying. He's not over there. I can't see him. I would be able to. Oh, you know where he could be? Where I just was. Where I last hid. Nope. Again, guys. Look at where he is. Look at him. What? I didn't even look at those trees. I was looking at the little trees over here. Nick, I didn't even know you owned those trees.
No, you were right here. I could see you through the gap.
Nick, I didn't even know that was part of your lawn.
So you're like this.
Nick, I didn't even know that was part of your lawn.
Okay.
Nick, I can't find you like that. I can't just look at somebody and then not do something about it, because I'll probably laugh.
Good game.
Hmm?
Good game.
It sucked.
What?
These games sucked. You get to hide for so long.
Do you want to do another part?
No, I don't. Alright. That's going to be it for this video. After this video, there's going to be a video called Discrimination of Poo, Hide and Seek. That's going to be our fight that was in between the videos.
The fight that was...
And I don't know how much of this I'm going to put on YouTube because there's a lot of footage. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So we will see you in the next video, guys. Bye!